We're going to tape this thing up, and I think we're going to paint it all over. So what do y'all think? Would you paint an 07 all over? I found me an old one here, 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This is a 4-wheel drive. Got the camper top. I don't know why, but here lately I've been fascinated with the camper tops, and I want to get a Tacoma that's got a camper top on it. But this one is a little bit rougher than I was wanting it to be. The hood is going to have to be replaced. The fender's probably going to have to be replaced. Bumper grill's going to have to be replaced. And then the roof's going to have to be painted. But the windshield's not broke. It's got 214,000 miles on it. But you know what? It's a clean title. So, hey, can't beat a clean title. The 2007 Tacoma with the camper top, the 4-wheel drive truck that we looked at Copart, it's about to play. And this is a 4-wheel drive truck with 216,000 miles. And the auction's starting right now. We might as well jump in here and get in this bids. Mexico's bidding. Missouri's bidding. We're bidding. Tennessee's bidding. That's us. Mexico, they outbid us. The high bid right now is $5,100. We're just going to keep bidding it. I don't know where we're going to stop at. Right now it's $5,300. It's slowing down a little bit. We just got outbid, so I bid it right back up to $5,600, and we're winning now at $5,600. Now it's going crazy again, and I'm just not stopping. $6,000. Now South Carolina's in the game. They got the high bid at $6,100. So let's let it play down a little bit. I just bid it at the very end. Now we got the high bid at $62,000. They just outbid us at $6,300. This is a nice little truck. It needs a little bit of love, but it's a clean title truck. We just got the high bid again at $6,400. They bid us right back at $65,000. Let's take it down just a little bit. Let's bid at the very last here. Boom. Bid it at the last. Let's see if they right back on us again. We're gonna have to stop here. Let's slow it down and take it to bonus time. All right, bonus time. We just bid it at $6,800. We're gonna have to kind of stop because this truck needs a little bit, but we just bought us a truck, a 2007 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive with a camper top. Hey, let's check it out and see what it all looks like. So we made it home with this 2007 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. She's got the 4-liter V6 and an automatic transmission. Check out that camper top it's got back there. And this truck is the first second gen that we've had on the channel that's not a 13 to a 15. We bought like maybe 1 or 2 12s, but this one is an 07. And well, that don't really mean much of anything. It just needs a headlight, a hood, and a fender, maybe a grill and a bumper, and we already ordered a bunch of that stuff. I really just didn't want to paint this truck all over. I don't know, JP wants to paint around on it. So we're probably going to start with the roof, just swap out the hood and see how good we can make this thing look. But on a budget, we don't just want to throw a bunch of money at it. We're already in this truck right at $8,000 because $6,800 was the high bid. I paid $120 to have it shipped, and of course Copart, they tacked on their fees. I really like the camper top, and I don't know why, but the truck's got a good stance. I like the long bed. I like the camper top. So I think we're going to probably sand down that whole roof, kind of get started on that. Maybe JP's going to be a little bit in front of me, but we're going to get to work on it, and we're going to make this thing super nice. So let's hop to it and let's get to work. Well, we went right to work on this little 07 Tacoma, and JP, he was really wanting to just jump up here on the roof, and it was kind of the worst part. So we just sanded it all down and put a couple of coats of primer on. Now that's looking really good. And it had a little bit of dent right here on the bedside. Jumped right on that, got that all fixed up. And we wasn't really gonna go this far with it, but why not? You know, it's a really nice truck. It's got a clean title. I mean, it wants to go another 200,000 miles. We're gonna fix this truck up. We got a brand new hood under that plastic. We got a brand new fender under that plastic. We got a new bumper here, some new headlights, and well, all of the parts are on their way. So we're gonna block that roof down again, put another coat of primer on or two, and then get everything smooth. We're gonna tape this thing up, and I think we're gonna paint it all over. We're gonna make it look nice. She's gonna look slick. Maybe not 100% perfect like it did in 07. So let's get to work. Let's make it look good. Let's make this truck something to be proud of. Well guys, it's the next day here, and we got the truck all untaped, and we got the camper top set back on. We got a couple of things that we need to paint now. We need to paint that front bumper. We need to paint the fender flares and our little pieces that go under the headlights. Got to get all that done, and then we're going to test fit the headlights and test fit the grill, because we got a new headlight and a new grill, and kind of stick the bumper on after we get it painted, see how everything fits. So let's get that painted, and let's get everything a nice big test fit. And this truck is coming a long, long way. We give it the big Earl Scheib paint job.
I'll paint any car for just $99.95.
She's looking good. And it's not the cleanest truck on the inside. We didn't spend a whole lot of time cleaning it. We just wiped everything down. Everything's looking better on the truck. It does have 216,000 miles, but it looks pretty good in here for a 2007. The seats are not really tore up or anything like that. So we like to break down the total cost of these things. And we bought this at auction for $6,800 from Copart. Copart tacked on $1,048 in fees. We paid $120 shipping, $67 for the headlights, $118 for the bumper, $61 for the grille, $19 for the flare extension, $15 for the headlight fillers, $21 for the fog lights, $40 for the antenna, $175 for the hood, $75 for the fender, $250 for paint, and then $65 for a fender liner and a bracket, plus a little bit of clear coat. What we really want to know is, what do you think? What do you think about this 2007 Toyota Tacoma? And what do you think about our Earl Scheib paint job?
Earl Scheib, I'll paint any car for...
And what do you think the price should be? Did we pay too much? And how much can we sell it for? Those are things that we want to know from you, so leave it in the comments. We've got huge things planned for this channel, so be sure and turn your post notifications on. But I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time in the next episode. We're out.